A motorcyclist succumbed to injuries he sustained in a bike crash after he crashed in a parked truck. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A motorcyclist succumbed to injuries he sustained in a bike crash and his female pillion rider admitted to hospital following a crash on Marcus Garvey Drive on Friday. The deceased has been identified as 60-year-old Nicholas Golin, a MAGA attendant of Hibiscus Avenue, Kingston 11. Reports from the Newport police are that at around 7:40 p.m., Golin was riding his motorcycle towards Portmore St. Catherine when on reaching a section of the roadway he collided in an international truck that was parked on the roadside. The police were summoned and Golin along with the female pillion were transported to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The female was admitted in stable condition. The investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.